Hello everyone, this is my review of the Active Washer Cleaner tablet set. These are tablets that you drop into your washer, drum, top loader, or front loader. Activate a cleaning cycle, or use hot water, and they do their job while you're doing other things. What I like most is that it tackles areas that regular detergent or quick wipes don't reach, such as under the seal, inside the drum, and around the gasket, where buildup, soap, scum, and even odors often start. After a few uses, I noticed that the smell coming from the machine had decreased. With 24 tablets, this covers approximately a year of monthly maintenance if used roughly twice a month. That makes it more of a set and forget maintenance item rather than something you buy every few weeks. It won't replace full mechanical servicing if your machine is very old or damaged. This is more maintenance. Additionally, you'll still want to follow the instructions, carefully skip the detergent slot, use hot water, and consider wiping away residue afterward for optimal results. Overall, if you have a washer that's in regular use, especially a high-efficiency front loader, and you want to reduce odors, prolong its life, and maintain cleaner loads, give this a try. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.